Alright, Savage Family, Savage Maniacs. We're on a Reforma. I'm staying at this hotel right here at the yellow door. Just wanted to show you guys what you can get for about $500 for 4 nights. Pretty reasonable. Gotta ring the doorbell. Hola, señor.
Hola, buenos días.
Hola. Disculpe. Alright, so little glass with some decoration. This here is the snack area, which is free. Yeah, fruits, vegetables, coffee, hot water, even glasses for you. I might hear music, so let me show you the gym real quick before I take you upstairs. Here's the gym, bicycle, elliptical, another elliptical ball. I'm not sure what this area is, but I'll take you upstairs. Pretty much small, decent. Even got water right there for you. Take you upstairs and show you the room in the rooftop. Alright, so I am on the 5th floor, which has I think they're the suite options. It's only 2 of them. So I got room 502. Reason why I got it is to make sure that I had a refrigerator for all the leftover food. The Wi-Fi is pretty decent. The only thing I would complain about is the hot water not really getting hot. The hot water it's not even warm. It's like, I hate to say it's not shower proof for me, because I like to have some type of warm water, not like, let me say hot, because that's even better if you can get it hot. But yeah, it's kind of like just cool. It's nothing that would make you feel like you're getting clean. So here's the refrigerator right here. The washer and dryer set. Even got a stove, microwave, so you can cook here. Hey, don't fall for this. You eat these, you gotta pay for it. Let me open the refrigerator. Same thing over here. You drink these, you gotta pay for it. So I got my own, which is a lot cheaper. Walmart in the clutch. All right, so let me show you the bedroom. Nice king size bed. You got a safe right there if you need it. Bunch of closet space for you. Right now, it's a lovely time to be in Mexico. The reason why I say this is very cool, not humid. Well, in the daytime, it'll get about 80 to about 85 right now. And then at nighttime, it'll get like low 60s, like right at about 58 degrees. So this is the balcony area for you. You can come out here, drink your coffee, eat a little pastry if you want to, however you feel that day. And once again, you can just walk into this area as well. So at night, I definitely leave this thing open to get like a breeze, which makes us feel good. The TV, it's all Spanish. But I looked up and got my little satellite box right there. So I can still watch stuff that I want to watch if I need to. Let's go ahead and take you into the bathroom. Country accent just came through. Sink, towels, that's a hair dryer, nice size toilet, rectangular shape. Here's the shower where I told you that truly does not get warm water, more like lukewarm, if you want to call it that. Not warm enough to make me feel like I'm getting clean. Once again, 4 nights, $500. You can save a little bit more if you pay in advance. What I did was book this and pick pay later, so it was an extra like $40. So this name of the hotel is Reforma Guest House. If you like the way this look, if you like having the option to just walk out on the balcony, look up stairs. Look up to the top. I said look upstairs. And this doesn't have like a beautiful light up buildings right here. They light up, but nothing like I've seen in other countries. But hey, I'm definitely okay with this. This is not too shabby. Right up my alley. Reasonable price. Now I'm just gonna take you up on the rooftop so I can show you the rooftop. Those chairs do hold. I'm 6 foot, about 200, and I'm under 200 now. So if you're about 200 pounds, you're straight. These are pretty sturdy. I'd probably say these can probably fit up to about 275, but anything over that, don't you do it. I don't know. You can try it. Let's go ahead and take you up to the balcony, show you the rooftop, so you can get a view from the top as well. All right, so we're at the rooftop. I'm not sure if it's like a restaurant or anything out here, but you can see you get a better view of downtown. Oh, this is not downtown. This is Reforma. This is the Reforma area. This is a good area to stay. A lot of food places are in walking distance. Central District, a good in-drive away. If you come here, make sure you download the app InDrive or D-I-D-I. I think that's how they're pronouncing it. But the reason why I say that, you can negotiate your prices. Uber is pretty high. I've been using InDrive and negotiating, getting some pretty good deals. So once again, InDrive, download that app if you're in Mexico City. They do some good prices on there. All right, so I'm not sure if we're going to bring you back I'm not sure if we're going to bring you back out here at night. Like I said, these buildings don't like light up spectacular, but they do light up. If they do something spectacular, I definitely bring it to you. But if not, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. Just gave you a quick view of what this hotel. If you want to spend about $500 or book earlier and pay earlier, spend about $400. That's up to you. 4 nights, around $100 a bucks. Pretty reasonable to me. Oh, the deposit was 1,500 pesos. You can deposit on a card or cash. I did cash, and you do get it back at the end of your stay. So that's something to take in consideration. Oh yeah, we out.